Okay, we're back with Audrey. The pressure cooker has steamed the mac and cheese. Audrey's going to open the lid now. She's going to turn it counterclockwise, excuse me, and lay it down. Looks like it's cooked. So we got 2 tablespoons of butter she's going to put in there. Great. And then she's going to grab her spoon here and mix it in. Get it going. And then while she's doing that, we also have 1.5 cups of cheese. We have some garlic powder with a pinch of salt and some pepper. And then also we have green onions that we diced up. And then we got some heavy whip we're going to add in there too. We're thinking about pouring in about half of that. So Audrey's going to grab the, let's go with the heavy whip first. So Audrey, go ahead and pour about half of that in. Great. Does that feel like half? All right, that looks good. And now you can go ahead and let's throw those spices in. Just dump the whole thing in there. There you go. Excellent. And I'll keep mixing that. And then now you can go ahead and throw those green onions in. Excellent. All right, we got that mixing in now. Got a nice coat on everything. And now we're going to add the cheese, the finale. What makes it mac and cheese. Great. Now we're going to mix that all in. And then what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the air fry mode with maybe some panko, breadcrumbs on the top to give it that mac and cheese crust top. And then after that, we'll be ready to serve and eat.